Hi, in this quick tutorial, I am going to show you how to transform your photos, in a few easy steps using our presets. First, open the photograph in Lightroom. I am going to use universal presets to edit this photograph. Hover over the presets to see the effect. I like this one. Click on the preset to apply it. Now let's do some basic adjustments. It depends on your personal preference. I am going to increase contrast. Reduce highlights to bring details and clouds. Increase some whites to make clouds pop. Now, I'll add a linear gradient from the top right. And reduce the exposure of that part. It will make the clouds look more dramatic. One more gradient from the bottom. Some quick adjustments for skin tones as well, and we are done. I hope you like this tutorial. Let me know in the comment if you want more quick tutorials like this.